Did you know that the right smoothie could kickstart your metabolism and help you shed pounds faster than ever? Today, we're blending up success with 7 sensational fruit smoothie recipes, each packed with ingredients proven to support weight loss. But first, don't forget to check the description and pinned comment below for our free ebook on how to burn fat and lose weight while resting. It will show you how to lose weight faster and more efficiently, taking your weight loss to a whole new level. Now let's get into it. Get rid of it! Recipe 1. The Green Machine. First up is the Green Machine, a powerhouse of spinach, green apple, and avocado. A recent study found that the type of fiber in spinach can increase feelings of fullness, helping you eat less throughout the day. Instructions. Start with 1 cup of fresh spinach. Add 1 sliced green apple for a natural sweetness. Include half an avocado for creamy texture and healthy fats. Pour in a cup of unsweetened almond milk for smoothness. Blend until smooth and enjoy the energy boost. Recipe 2. Berry Belly Buster. Next is our Berry Belly Buster. Berries are not just delicious, they're also loaded with antioxidants. According to a study conducted last year, blueberries can help in reducing belly fat thanks to their high levels of catechins. Instructions. Toss half a cup each of blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries into your blender. Add a banana for thickness. Pour in a cup of Greek yogurt for a protein kick. Blend until you reach a smooth consistency. Drink this to fight belly fat and satisfy those sweet cravings. Recipe 3. Tropical Trim. Feeling tropical? The tropical trim is all about flavor and function. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and may help with fat burning. Combine it with coconut water, which has been found to be excellent for weight loss due to its low calorie and high electrolyte content. Instructions. Combine 1 cup of chopped pineapple with half a cup of mango chunks. Add a banana for creaminess. Pour in a cup of coconut water for hydration. Sprinkle a teaspoon of flaxseed to boost your omega-3 intake. Blend until you can almost hear the beach calling. Recipe 4. Citrus Slimmer. Let's zest things up with the Citrus Slimmer. Oranges and grapefruits are not only vitamin C rich but also help in burning fat, and integrating them into your diet has been linked with weight loss and improved insulin sensitivity. Instructions. Peel and segment 2 oranges and half a grapefruit. Add a handful of ice to keep it refreshing. Squeeze in a bit of lime for an extra kick. Blend until smooth and invigorating. Recipe 5. Cinnamon Spice Burner. Our 5th recipe is a spice lover's dream. Cinnamon isn't just for flavor. Studies have shown that it can help reduce blood sugar spikes after meals, aiding in weight control. Instructions. Add 1 chopped apple and 1 pear to your blender. Sprinkle in a teaspoon of cinnamon. Pour a cup of unsweetened soy milk and a scoop of vanilla protein powder. Blend until you've got a smooth, spice-filled smoothie that warms and slims. Recipe 6. Peanut Butter Power. Smoothie number 6 is the Peanut Butter Power. Rich in protein, peanut butter is a great addition to any weight loss diet by helping to build muscle while burning fat. Instructions. Add 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter. Throw in a frozen banana for thickness. Pour in almond milk and a scoop of chocolate protein powder. Blend until creamy and dreamy. Perfect for a post-workout treat. Recipe 7. Avocado and Berry Bliss. Last but definitely not least, Avocado and Berry Bliss combines the heart-healthy fats of avocado with the antioxidant power of berries, a combo recommended by dietitians for a balanced weight loss diet. Instructions. Scoop out 1 ripe avocado. Add half a cup of mixed berries. Pour in a cup of coconut milk and a dash of honey for sweetness. Blend until silky smooth, creating a blissful weight loss treat. There you have it. 7 fruit smoothie recipes that are as nutritious as they are delicious. Remember, losing weight doesn't mean you have to lose flavor. Incorporate these smoothies into your diet and see the pounds start to peel off. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And remember to claim your free ebook on how to burn fat and lose weight while resting in the description and pinned comment below. It will help you on your weight loss journey.